Hi guys, I'm back with my bicycle, somewhere back here. Every time I'm using this as my brake light, but I decided to go for something smarter. So it automatically gets brighter when you brake. It has some sensor inside as well, turns on and off automatically, at least it says so. And this is how it looks like, 13 bucks it cost, and you get some instruction like that. My fingers are dirty because I changed brake pads for my bicycle. Something in Chinese, something in English, but more or less you can get different sort of like this bracelets for your brake light. It's very easy to attach it, as well as to steal probably. USB charging, there's as well display on one side if you turn this on. It's kind of bright first of all. Second, there's like little bright display, not bright but very like dim display which shows the battery percent, and you as well can change different modes. So it depends what you wish. Something like that. Anyway, but it's quite bright, so it's good. 6 modes, and these as well come 3. That's good. This for this one if you want to attach it by that. So different methods how to attach. One is like here, you can as well just do like that and then attach it with these little stripes, or like watch or something like that. But it's very easy to steal. I just can put it up there like that, put it around here, and it's done. I will probably use this one. Actually, it looks pretty good, and then should turn off automatically if I'm not using it. I don't need this anymore. And then we'll do some tests. So a couple more things, the battery. So first of all, you can charge this one approximately in 2 hours from 0 to 100%. And as well, you don't need to always press this on off button. It's somewhere here, yep, here. Because this actually turns off automatically, and it takes about 30 seconds. So if you don't move it, it will turn off automatically. So it will set the battery and will just activate when the movement will be detected. That's nice. So overall about this little light for the bicycle, for the brake light, I've been using this all summer. Pretty neat thing. Downside, really not the best way how to see how much battery left, but as you see 5% and still running, so that's nice. Easy to remove and recharge as well, easy to install, and different size of your seats, this diameter, and then install back in. And then of course I will go out and recharge it. Light intensity is pretty neat, so it will work nice. USB-C charging, so as well bonus for this one. And then the quality of it, it seems pretty good. So would I recommend this one? Yes, for sure. Definitely easy to install, easy to use, and the battery as well lasts, I would say, depends on how much you're driving, of course, cycling or driving. And but for my needs, I have charged it like 3, I think, times during the summer, so definitely will hold some juice in the battery in it. If we speak about the responsibility for braking and how actively it works, well, I would say it's like a 50-50 chance. It's not the most accurate sensor in it, so sometimes it will work, sometimes not, but overall it has some bright intensity anyway, so it will do the job. So still little improvements to do to make this like super responsive, but I think in that way it would use a lot more battery. So depends what you want, more battery usage, bigger size and something like that, or less responsive but still kinda responsive. And I would say half the times it works. So would I recommend? I'd probably yes. It's probably not the cheapest, but overall the quality and the size and everything is so pretty much good for my use. Thanks for watching, goodbye.